Hello YouTubers, I am Firebase and this is the second video for Python Firebase. So before this I had a video on Python Firebase. I think it was 2 months ago, 2 or 3 months ago that I have published, and there were good feedbacks from the viewers. So I have decided to make a new video on Python Firebase. So that video was on real-time database that I have created, and if you haven't watched that video, I have added the link to the video description. You can watch that. Today in this video we are going to talk about authentication in Firebase. So we are not going to talk about real-time database. We are going to talk about the authentication in Firebase. So now let's get started. So first of all, you need to install a Firebase library in Python. So you can simply write pip3 install Firebase. So I have already installed this and I don't want to install this. You can install directly like this. If it doesn't work, or if you receive the error, for example you will receive the setup tools error like this. And the first time that I have installed this, I have received the error from setup tools. So by that you need to upgrade that. So first you need to, for example, do like this: pip3 install upgrade your setup tools, and after this you can install this gcloud, upgrade this gcloud like this, and at the end you can install Firebase. So like this, the installation will complete. So it's a small installation. So like this you can install. After installing Firebase, you need to open your Firebase. And in here you need to create add a project. So let me just create a project, and let me call this project so the project name to for example my test, or so let me give it my test. And after this click on continue, and in here let me just click on continue. You can select an account and default account for Firebase, or so first let me sign into my account, like I think, or default account. So this, now I'm waiting for creating my project and it will be created. So guys, your new project is ready, and click on continue. So now this is my project and it's created. The first thing you need, so you need to click on this, and you need to add the Firebase SDK. So you can give a nickname in here, nickname. Let me give it my test app, and click on register app. Okay, now continue to console, or before this you can copy this SDK from here. Okay, so from here let me just first create this variable in here, so in your PyCharm ID. Okay, now first you need to you need to import Firebase like this, and now we are going to create this in here, Firebase config. This is the configuration for our Firebase, and from here I'm going to copy these all and paste it in here. So you need to just make these bring change for this, for all of them like this. and let me do this. So now this is our configuration. Also, let me just import from get pass, import get pass. Okay, now after this let me bring it in here. Okay, now first we need to initialize our Firebase. So for this, let me write Firebase and Firebase dot initialize app, and we are going to add our Firebase configuration in here. So Firebase config. Now after this, because we are going to work with authentication, and if you see the Firebase, let me just click on continue console. You can see we have authentication, we have database, storage. There are different features that you can use from Firebase. I have a video on database, especially working with real-time database. This time we are going to talk about the authentication. So let me create an authentication, and so especially we are going to use email and password. We are going to do authentication using email and password, and you need to click on setup sign-in methods, and from here you need to, so you can see we have different features, and from here you need to enable this email and password and click on save. Okay, now this feature is enabled. Okay, now in here let me create an auth, and Firebase dot auth. Okay, so first let me create an email, and in here I'm going to give an input prompt. So please enter your email address, and now I'm going to give a password. For password I'm going to use get pass, because it will not show my password, so it will be secret. Now let me write please enter your password, like this. Okay, now after this let me just make it a little bit beautiful, \n, and okay, now first I'm going to create users in my you can create users, so let me write user, and from here you can get auth dot, you can see we have different features: send a password reset email, send email verification, sign in with email. Okay, we are going to use get create user with email and password. So in here you need to give the email and also the password that we are going to create user. Let me just write a print success in here, like this. Okay, so let me just open my terminal, and okay, now in here so let me run this Python Firebase AUT.py. Okay, so now you can see please enter your email address, and let me give an email address in here. Please enter your password. So now the password is secret. Now I'm waiting for this. So now success, and if I see in my, so in here if I click on user, so you can see I have created this user in here. So like this you can create, and the password is in hash section. Let me close, let me create a new session. So this was for creating user, and I have created user. You can create another user also if you want. Okay, so now let me show you the login, and let me comment this. and so in here let me write login and auth.sign in with email and password, and you need to give your email in here and also password. Okay, let me now run this again in my terminal. Python Firebase eut.py. Okay, so please enter your email address, and let me give my email address. Please enter your password. And you will see that I will receive success in here, so you can see success. But if I enter a wrong password, so let me Python Firebase Auth eut.py. Okay, please enter your email address. And I'm going to write a wrong email address, a password, sorry. So you will receive invalid password. Okay, now you can see we have error, and if you see invalid password, so like this you can log in. Also you can send email verification, so you can do and send email verification. So for send email verification, in here you can simply write auth dot send email verification, and you need to give the login, and according to we need to give the ID token, so ID token. Let me now run it again in my terminal. Python Firebase eut.py. Okay, please enter your email address, so let me enter the email address. Enter your password, and now I'm waiting. Okay, so success. And now if I see my email, refresh my email address, so guys, now you can see I have a no reply, verify your email for project. And if I click on this, you can see we have a link, and now I have clicked on this. So guys, now you can see your email has been verified. You can now sign in with your new account. Okay, now so this was also, you can reset the password if you want. So let me just comment this, and in here how you can reset the password if you want. So you can simply write auth dot send password reset email, so send password reset email, and you can give your email address in here, email. So now let me just run it again. So please enter your email address, please enter your password, and now I am waiting. And so now success. And now if I open my email address, if I refresh this, so refresh, Okay, now you can see I have reset your password for the project. Let me open this, and now you can see follow this link to reset the password. So like this you can give a new password and you can reset this. So for right now I'm not going to reset the password. Like this you can work with Firebase Authentication in Python. I will add the source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also please share the video.